Okay, we're back to the fork, and we're leaving the left side of the fork to go right. We're back here at the river. We have to go that way, and if you can see, the river is completely rising. I don't know if it ever floods here. Like I said, this is my second time here. The first time was the previous YouTube video. But hopefully the river doesn't flood before I get out of here. It's completely flooded out. Completely. Yeah, we gotta head on back. Oh. Alright guys, I'm going to actually stand out here on the boardwalk for a bit and see if I can catch a rainbow. It seems like a pretty good conditions for one, so we're just going to stand here for a bit. The rain subsided completely. I don't know how long that's going to last, but you know, we're going to see if we can catch a rainbow or something, so before we head on out of here. And of course, we're probably going to end up coming back here a third time. You know, make sure that the weather's been nice for a pattern of days before we do. Hear this. I don't know if you can hear this, but what animals are these? If you know, let me know what you know. As we're coming to the exit of the path, you can see my dilemma. The little ditch over here to my right, left as you're coming in, flooded and has proceeded to completely wash out the path with what I'd guess is at least 6 inches of water. So shit. And let's see over here. Yeah, there's a ditch on that side that formed because of all the water. Shit. What the fuck am I gonna do? I might need to put my camera in my bag for this one. No, fuck. It doesn't look terribly deep over here. Wish me luck. Oh my god, it's filling my shoes. Oh, shit. Shit. I gotta make a move and make it soon. Oh no. Oh no. How deep is this? Oh, it's super deep. It's up over my shoe. Oh. Oh my god, I am fucking stuck. I am stuck. Shit. Alright, we're gonna have to jump and shit. Oh, fuck. We still gonna try to go out the original way. Oh my god, this is fucking terrible. Oh my god. Look. Oh god. This is fucking, oh, it's disgusting. Oh my god. Jamie's not gonna let me get back in the fucking car like this. Oh my god. Oh my god. You hear me splashing around now? Like I'm fucking swimming? Oh. Well, these shoes are fucked. They were already fucked to begin with. Hopefully you find this entertaining. Oh my god. We'll be back. Here's a good look at the rising water. Look how high that water is. There's a little bit of plants here to stop it. And we're almost home free. But I wanted to stop and take one last shot and show you what I just walked through. Oh my god. Alright. Let me get out of this shit and we'll be back. Alright, we're out on solid land. Look at the normal pathway. That's supposed to be a path. That's water. Look at that. This place gets flooded out pretty regularly as far as I understand. Look at that, it's forming its own freaking ecosystem here. Look at that, birds are landing in there, and what kind of bird is that? What is that? This lens isn't, my lenses are good, but they're not like picture perfect quality like I want. I gotta spend like 600 bucks on a lens. But hey, if you guys watch my videos and upvote them and all that stuff and share them, I'm sure we'll get there. I would love nothing else. It's all for you guys, man. Alright. We got a bit of time yet, but I'm going to go scouting over there. I think there might be some paths or something back there. A brand new trail to explore. I'm not sure how far it goes. Let's walk it a bit and give you a preview of what we might be doing next time we come here. Well, yeah, it goes pretty far. So it's not like a personal trail. It cuts right through the forest. I love it. Huh. We can only follow it for just a bit, just to see if it turns into anything worthwhile. And it's not somebody's like private dirt bike trail or something to their house or some silliness. And it's flooded out, so it definitely indeed is a preview, but it's something to look forward to possibly for the next future videos here. Here's the part I was alluding to earlier when I did a long view of it from further away. It might turn into something as well. It's just about 500 feet away from the one that we just previewed. So let's see if we could possibly see if this amounts to anything. I don't want to waste my time, or more importantly your time as a viewer, so I appreciate and value your time. Looks like it has a, what's going on here? There's the pond. So where does this go? It looks like residential back there. So maybe this doesn't turn into anything. Let's go look at the pond and see how bad the water messed things up. Since it just rained. Nice little view here. Those bubbles usually indicate what is that, methane? Some type of trapped old tree down there or something underneath the water. If you can see, there's actually one further and down into the pond. So I don't think that's coincidental. I think that's a trapped tree underneath the water. And then this trail, oh look, looks like some kind of homeless person might have had a fire or something going here. Unfortunately, there's a lot of homeless around here. I was homeless, but I wasn't around here at the time. What is that? A broken picnic table? What's it doing there, I wonder? Was this, maybe this wasn't part of the pond originally, and it just formed from all that rain that we just had. And it looks like a lot of water, and trust me, it is. But you see how there's like grass and stuff in it. Maybe this is a pretty low-lying area, so water affects it a lot faster. All right, well, we got to get out of here. Jamie's probably out in the park by now, waiting for me at the trail entrance. So let's get on out of here, and I'll catch you another time, guys. Look at the day now. It doesn't even look like it just got done pouring, does it? My shoes say otherwise, though. Oh, I'm terribly wet. But yeah, we found some good stuff. It wasn't the best day, but it definitely wasn't the worst. You know, we found some trails, we got pictures of birds, and there's a semi-truck pulled in here as I was walking out. Not exactly sure what they're doing. I wonder what a semi-truck would be doing in a park. I don't know. If you have any ideas, let me know.